type C as well. It's charging system in my car. So then I really love it. It's smooth. So I also have this like this, and then you can take that for the air freshener holder. So you guys, I'm actually changing off these little things to put this onto my car, and just to, I mean, it's just a little accessory, so it makes it a little bit cuter.
Y'all don't need me to.
You don't overheat. You're gonna get a.
Yeah, I can put a hack to you.
Oh, did you drop this, Katie?
So they're actually on all 4 wheels. And so you guys, another accessory that I have here, this is a portable wireless charger. So you have a plug-in area here that you plug into the wireless system, but you also have the wireless part here that you can plug in a type C as well. So what I will do is I'm going to do a type C to type C here, so that whilst one phone is charging, so say for instance I'm charging the other phone, I can literally go ahead and charge this one as well. So there you go. So over there you can see that it is actually charging. So I can charge the one I'm using now, and if I want to, I mean, I could literally charge it plugged in from here to here as well, but because this one uses the iPhone charger, so I would prefer to be able to charge it wirelessly, if you understand what I mean. Because if I don't have the iPhone charger with me, then I wouldn't be able to charge it. You understand? So if I have this type C always left in the car, just in case I leave the other one inside, I can just charge my phone on the go. Right, so now I have 2 wireless charging system in my car. 2. Alright, also got these panther or the, you know, the leopard. These are air freshener holders, and so it comes with these little air freshener thing, and all I do is just like I literally just stick the air freshener thing in there like that, and then it has this little thing that you stick into the back, so you can put it this way. So you stick it into your vent. So I actually put mine in my vent area like that to keep my car slick and fresh. That's also the second one. Pretty cool, right? And then I have this little accessory thing here as well, so you can literally stick one under this one if you desire. Yeah, right, so you can literally accessorize your car without making it too obvious, because I usually tend to use the other air freshener, but it's obvious that it's an air freshener. But for these, they're accessories. See how cute that is? I'm also putting these little coasters for my cup holder. One there, and the other one there. I also got this thing for my trunk, so maybe we should put that in. In my trunk. This is like a key ring, so like if I'm going into a store or something and I don't want to carry my purse, I just leave this hanging right here, and what I do is I just take the cards out that I'm gonna be taking with me, and I stick my card in here, or cards. So if you want to carry, you know, whatever 2 or 3 cards you want to take with you, so you could put one here as well, and then you could just close that off. And for me personally, I can lock my cards down within a second if I think they have gone missing or I've misplaced it. So what I tend to do is I take my driver's license with me so that I can pretty much be located, just in case I leave it somewhere where I'm not sure. Maybe somehow they can contact me, or through the driver's license place or whatever. So I have that, and you can also put your cash in here. Literally all I do is I just stick that onto my hand, and if you potentially think you might get that lost, I tend to just put my keys onto it, so you can literally hook your keys. So all you have to do is hook your keys like this, and then you can take it along with you like this, so it doesn't get lost. I mean, whichever way you feel more comfortable. Sometimes because there's more than one key ring, sometimes I just take off the car key and just hook the car key here, and I leave the house key in the car. When I get back, I just stick that back here, take off whatever I want, which is my house and car keys, and I take out these things from here, so I know I need to take these out, so I'm not just going to leave them in the car. And then I just put them back into my purse, so I don't necessarily need to walk around with my purse anymore if I'm going to shop for one or two things. So this pretty much comes in handy. So for all the ladies who you're going into a store to buy something. So I'm gonna leave the link for these things in the description box. You can choose any color that you like. For me, I love leopard, so this would be my accessory of choice, but you can choose whatever color you like. And as for the air freshener holders, you can always choose the one you like as well, but they're pretty much come in handy. As I said, look like an accessory. Same thing goes for the thing in the trunk. I will leave that link in the description box as well. So I also have this brown steering wheel cover. It's literally like suede, and it's so soft. Now over the years I tend to go with the more rough ones. I can literally feel the steering wheel in my hand, but I saw this and I was like, maybe I should try something a little bit more softer. But the thing is, it's soft, but then it has this middle area that actually allows you to feel as if you're holding on to something when you're moving the steering wheel, so you can have some comfort, but you can also know that, because sometimes it can be too smooth, if you understand what I mean. So this really allows you to have some comfort, but also have the ruggedness at some parts where you can see and feel that you have something in your hand, and that's pretty awesome. See if we can put it on. So this is what the steering wheel cover looks like, and I really love it. It's smooth as silk. So you guys, thank you once again for joining me for another video. I hope that you found it very interesting and you saw some gadgets that you may be able to use